Game.
Sama sa vlog.
Ito, ano to?
Input shop assembly.
Ito.
Input shop plan. Input shop shop.
Ito.
Input shop bearing. Port gear.
Ito.
Dog gear.
Madaming dog gear. Ito, dog gear daw to.
Port dog gear. Sleeve.
Hindi, ang sleeve. Ito, sleeve. Manggas to. Ito, sleeve to eh. Conical. Kasi cone na yung shape.
Conical.
Ito.
Top cover.
Ito ngayon,
Output shop assembly.
ito, isang buo.
Third import synchronizer mechanism.
Yun, ito.
Synchronizer
Ito.
sleeve. Third gear assembly.
Third speed gear lang yan.
Third speed gear.
Ito.
Second speed gear.
Ito, isang buo.
First and second synchronizer mechanism. First and second synchronizer sleeve.
Yun, ito.
Reverse gear.
Yun, ito.
First gear. Bearing.
Ang bearing.
Input shop bearing.
Output shop.
Output shop bearing.
Pwede rear bearing.
Output shop supply.
Yun. Ito.
First and second shifting fork.
Yun, ito.
Third and fourth shifting fork.
Yan.
Reverse shifting fork. First and second shifting shop. Third and fourth shifting shop.
Yeah.
Reverse shifting shop.
Ito.
Shop. Load spring.
Yan, load
Saka
spring.
detent ball.
Yan, dito po.
Ayan o, tinuturo ni Joshua.
Needle bearing.
Needle bearing.
Okay, ito, isang buo. Ano to?
Counter gear assembly.
Yun.
Counter gear shop. Hindi pala. Third counter gear.
Oh,
Third counter gear.
Ito.
Second counter
Ito.
gear. Reverse counter gear.
Ito.
First counter gear.
Ito.
Reverse counter gear shop.
Reverse idler gear.
Shifting level.
Ito.
Shifting knob.
Yun.
Bottom cover.
Yung nakalagay dito.
Rain plug.
Ito.
Huwag ka tumawa to. Baka ikaw nga rin nag-titip. Nagtanong ka rin eh. Bearing natin.
Next. Ito, isang buo. Ito, isang buo.
Ito. Cowbell.
Transmission case. Ito.
Inner plug.
Yun. Ayos na. Congrats. Toyota.